The 8000 electric circular saw is purpose-built for handling sizable timber. It boasts a circular saw measuring 150 centimeters long and an 18 centimeter ripener cylinder. Initially, the immense logs are cut using a circular mechanism, followed by their placement into specialized apparatus that divides them into 4 sections. Noteworthy features of this machinery include a robust motor, a user-friendly joystick for single-handed operation, and a cozy cabin with heating facilities. Introducing the Forstmulcher AHWI M 650, an advanced and versatile mulcher attachment. This state-of-the-art mulcher offers optimal environmental efficiency and swift clearing of vast areas while ensuring high-quality soil treatment. It is engineered to tackle heavy and medium tasks and is equally suitable for preparing extensive landscapes with diverse vegetation. The attachment is compatible with power packs ranging from 140 to 350 horsepower, making it adaptable to various machinery. Notably, the mulcher can penetrate the ground up to 20 centimeters deep, effectively removing root systems of previously cut plants, and its robust cutting edge effortlessly handles even hardwood materials. Svetruck TMF 28 and 21, the Reach Stacker, a specialized forklift designed for handling various types of containers. With an impressive lifting capacity of 35 tons and a weight of 75 tons, it delivers exceptional performance. The forklift's compact dimensions measure 9 meters in length, 4.3 meters in width, and 4 meters in height. This robust machine is powered by a diesel engine, ready for any task. Equipped with a large, adjustable hook, it can reach a maximum lift height of 6.5 meters, making it versatile for unloading timber and tackling construction projects of different complexities. The Valtra N92, a versatile trailed sweeper by Broadway. This mechanical sweeper offers direct loading into the back of a dump truck, ensuring efficient cleaning of city streets, pedestrian areas, and highways. It is compatible with a wide range of dump truck and tractor models, with an impressive capacity to remove up to 1.2 tons of debris per minute. This machine excels at clearing compacted winter sand, asphalt chips, crushed stone, and general street debris. The sweeper features 2 side trough brushes with a diameter of approximately 1,300 millimeters, allowing for customizable settings such as lint quantity, mode, and inclination angles. Additionally, it is equipped with a rear cylindrical brush with a diameter of 750 millimeters, enabling high-speed rotation for increased productivity. The impressive Modica 3000 hydraulic harvester, renowned for its exceptional functionality, sleek design, and remarkable shape. This harvester is specifically designed for pumpkins and features a large sifting drum composed of semicircular bars to maximize productivity. The innovative drum gently pushes the pumpkins, guiding them onto the conveyor system. Powered by a robust motor fuel engine, the conveyor is equipped with a durable and multi-layered rubber and fabric belt to ensure longevity. The assembly hopper is equipped with a hydraulic pivoting mechanism, allowing for swift and effortless unloading. Among the notable advantages of this hydraulic machine are its efficient operational mode, electronic control through a display panel, and the ability to deliver high-quality harvesting results. Dominator 88S, a remarkable machine renowned for its powerful cutter bar. Its hydraulic cylinders are equipped with adjustable discharge springs, ensuring precise ground contour following. This combined harvester features 3 heavy-duty chains with robust channel profiles, offering durability and stability. The Dominator is equipped with a threshing unit boasting a 450mm drum diameter and a generous reach angle of 117 degrees. Powered by a mechanical transmission and a robust 160 horsepower engine, this model also offers a spacious cabin for enhanced operator comfort. Notably, the owner of this vehicle has the flexibility to independently set the threshing machine's rotation speed and adjust the concave clearance according to specific requirements. The new Holland T7270, a versatile tractor perfectly suited to the evolving demands of modern farming. This tractor stands out for its compact size, lightweight design, and exceptional performance. Notably, it boasts an impressive 228 horsepower, which can be increased to a remarkable 270 horsepower with the addition of a supercharger, providing even more power when needed. The T7 offers excellent visibility from the cab, ensuring less strenuous work for the operator. Thanks to the automatic 2-stage cab suspension, vibrations are significantly reduced by up to 25%, enhancing comfort during operation. To further enhance safety and efficiency, the vehicle's movement is continuously monitored by a position sensor integrated into the seat. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you were interested, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to this video. It is very helpful to promote my channel in the YouTube algorithms. Also on our channel you will find many interesting videos about heavy equipment used in various industries. See you soon. Bye.